think I surprised her a little bit. Hi friends, hey, welcome back to the Expeditionary Johnny channel. Alright, so today's hike is here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Actually, it's kind of on the southeast side of the town. I'm going to be doing the Wilderness Park Trail. Right now I'm at the, the Jamaica North Trail. And so let's get started and let's see what we see. Alright, so I guess we found something to go on here. You can see just everything is all wilted. It's been hot and dry here. So definitely I don't know, everything's definitely feeling the effects. So far I have to say I'm pretty happy with this trail. We're in a city, very flat city, so I cannot expect hills. But I mean, this is great. They found a piece of land where you got some water running through there. Plenty of trees growing all around it. So you can go on this long, narrow walk and have the feel of being in the woods the whole time. Now, okay, I am in the woods, but just right over there, I can hear vehicles going by and stuff. So, really nice, short drive from the house. And I guess going along with that, removing obstacles to getting outdoors. Sometimes you'll have to, if you're just wanting to get out, you don't need a big adventure every time. Just a flat walk through the woods will be great. Alright guys, so hey, if you like these types of videos, I really would appreciate it if you could hit that little subscribe button. That means a lot to me and my family. And if you want to be notified when these videos are dropped, which is typically every Saturday, please hit that notification bell. That way you'll get an alert from on your phone there from YouTube. Alright, so this is one of those times I'm really glad I use the All Trails app. So I'm just following the main trail, and after a few minutes he goes, hey, are you off route? So I check it out and you can see me double back. Turns out I'm supposed to turn off right about there. It's hard to do this reverse angle. So it turns out I'm supposed to turn off right about there. So yeah, it's good that, you know, use whatever devices you can. All right, so let's head that way. Okay, I have decided I'm going to have to come back here another time, and I'm going to have to bring back some telescoping fishing poles, because I'd love to see what's out there in that little creek out there. Well, we got a friend. There she goes. I think I surprised her a little bit. Okay, so I started out down here in Jamaica North Trail, and I've made my way up here. See, this is 14th Street, so this is where I'm at right now, and you can see there's plenty of trails for me to take, and I can go pretty far north if I really want. Okay, for today's lunch, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to be trying out DrunkenChefBBQ's SPG blend, which that would be salt, pepper, and garlic powder. All right, so I figured the perfect meal would be a hamburger with a fried egg and a bit of bacon on there. And we're going to use plenty of the rub on here to season everything up and make sure it really comes through. I don't want it to get lost in this here sandwich. So let's get started. Look at that crust. Smells so good. Cracked my egg already, so I lost a little bit of egg white, but we're rolling with it. Okay, so here we have it. Johnny's, I don't know, breakfast burger. All right, so we've got our Drunken Chef Barbecue SPG seasoning all throughout. I put it on the bacon, the burger, and the egg. All right, oh yeah, even on the buns. So let's see how we did. Very good. I seasoned it heavily because I wanted to taste it. And that was a good choice. Chef's done a really nice job of getting the right ratio of salt, pepper, and garlic. I really like the taste of garlic, especially with something like with a hamburger. I could smell it as I was cooking it up, and it definitely did not disappoint. Man, that's all right. That's perfect. Good job, chef. So if you guys haven't done so already, go out to Drunken Chef BBQ's website. Check out our spices. Definitely not going to disappoint. Very good. I'm going to chew on this for a little bit, and then I guess we'll head on back.
That's the way it's done.
Okay, so I've got everything all cleaned up, and I'm heading back onto the trail, heading back to the car. I hope this inspires you guys to get out and try something new, whether it's a new trail, trying to cook it up a meal while you're heading out, but just get out there, make connections, have a lot of fun. All right, so we're back from where we started. This is that main path from the parking lot. So I'll wrap it up and say, hey, thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.